If your Blender textures are stretching, sliding, or warping when you edit your mesh, this quick fix can save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to avoid UV distortions in Blender using correct face attributes, plus a few important cleanup steps that make your textures behave properly. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. First, press Tab to go into Edit mode. Once you're in Edit mode, go to the top right of the 3D viewport and click the Options dropdown. Inside that menu, turn on Correct Face Attributes. This is the main setting that helps Blender preserve your UVs while you move geometry around. When this is enabled, Blender updates the UV map automatically so your textures don't stretch every time you adjust edges or vertices. Right underneath that, enable Keep Connected. This is important because it stops UV islands from tearing apart when you slide parts of the mesh. Now try using the G key twice, so GG, to slide an edge along the surface. With correct face attributes active, the texture should stay pinned to the mesh instead of moving in a messy way. If you still see distortion, the next thing to check is your object scale. Go back to object mode, press Ctrl+A, and apply scale. Non-uniform scale is one of the most common reasons UVs and textures behave unpredictably, so applying scale before editing can fix a lot of problems right away. After that, open the UV Editor Workspace so you can actually see your map updating as you work. This makes it much easier to spot stretching, pinching, or broken islands while you edit. If the issue still remains, go to the Mesh menu, then Cleanup, and choose Merge by Distance. This removes overlapping or duplicate vertices, and that matters because double vertices can interfere with how correct face attributes works. Next, press Shift+N to recalculate normals. Inverted normals can make textures look flipped, dark, or distorted, even if your UVs are technically correct, so this is a simple but very important step. Finally, if you want to identify exactly which face is causing the problem, turn on Sync Selection in the UV editor using the icon at the top left. That lets you see the mesh and UVs together, so you can instantly track down the distorted area. So to quickly recap, enable correct face attributes, turn on Keep Connected, apply scale, clean up overlapping vertices, recalculate normals, and use the UV editor to inspect problem areas. If you follow these steps, you'll get much cleaner texture behavior and avoid a lot of frustrating UV distortion in Blender. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.